in the Government of India Gazette on the 18th of this month. Today, the Congress party condemns these rules notified in this latest amendment because they are against the people and the fishermen of the state. जे 200 मीटर पळय हाय टायड लायन आशिल्ली ती तेणी आता 50 मिटराचेर हाडपाक केल्या. म्हणजे आमचे पळय फिशरमॅन लोक आसा अलोंग द कोस्टल विलेजीस तांच्यो बोटी तांची नेट्स आनी तांचे पळय फिशिंग एक्टिविटी आसा ते करपाक कसलोच तांकां आनीक संदी ना. सो हितून कितें कळून येता की हे पळय amendment जे आसा to reduce 200 meters to 50 meters and giving many facilities to only the builders and the developers at the cost of destroying Goa and the coastline of Goa. We recollect the promise of the Prime Minister when he was campaigning at the last Parliament election, that he will be personally responsible to help Goa achieve special status. But today we see with this notification of CRZ, it is going to be the mass destruction of whatever is left from Goa's coastal belt. आमकां आयकूंक येता ते प्रमाणे सागरमाला म्हणून एक व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट ऑल इंडिया बेसिस तांचो गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो प्रोजेक्ट 2016 लॉन्च जाला आणि तो प्रोजेक्ट इज टू कनेक्ट पोर्ट्स अँड डू अ लॉट ऑफ बिझनेस एक्टिविटी थ्रू द पोर्ट्स अँड दिस इज मेंट टू फॅसिलिटेट टू मेक गोवा इनटू अ कोल हब अँड डेस्टिनेशन. We know how our brothers and sisters in Vasco have already suffered enough and are continuing to suffer due to the coal movement and the bad quality of the ambient air. Today, probably with this Sagarmala project and this type of CRZ relaxations, the whole of Goa will become a coal hub and we Goans will have no stake left in our own land.